Let's make creamy sun-dried tomato pasta. I'll show you how. For part one of this recipe, we're going to heat up the pan and sizzle on the oil from the tomatoes, garlic, shallot, sun-dried tomatoes, and a cup of water. Your pasta is going to cook in a nice bath. Then add some cheese, herbs, cook until al dente. That looks so good. Next, it's time to plate and kick it up a notch with some burrata, olive oil, and pepper. Start by plating generous portions. Come on, don't be shy. Then open up your burrata and tear it. Gently place it in key positions around the pasta so it looks great. Just like that. Do a little bit there, a little bit over here. You can even tear some up and put some on one side to the next. You can't go wrong. Then drizzle on some extra virgin olive oil. Make sure it's good quality olive oil. Grab your cracked pepper. This dish is ready to dive in. So good. That's it. Be sure to check the full recipe on styleandeat.com.